be showing you guys around the farm. One of my favorite places to ride at the moment is the riding farm. So like I said, this is my enduro spot, or where I train enduro. I'm not the best at enduro, so I use this spot to train and get more comfortable with the bike and using the clutch. My bike was recently in for a rebuild of the engine because it seized. So after that, I did not have a lot of confidence in the bike and in my skills, so that's why I ride here so often and trying to get back and be as good as I once was. And even then I wasn't the best at it. Here are a few interesting lines that I can take when riding here, and I'll show you some of the lines now. I won't do all of them, but I'll show you some of the lines that I normally take and are comfortable with. So what I'll do is I'll start here and go up there, and then I'll cross over or go over these rocks down there at the back and around that tree, and come back here, and then we'll go down here and out of this, I guess you can call it a forest, out of this forest down there to that road. Okay, so I'll go down here and up there. And then just turn my bike like this. And then I'll just show you guys. I'll go from here and over those rocks up in front. Go down there and out. I'm still learning to stand in the more difficult and technical areas. It's not an easy task for me, because sometimes I'll pull in the clutch and I don't know, I don't feel comfortable, but I'm practicing and will hopefully get better. While I'm here, I might as well show you guys the Husqvarna. So like I said, this is a TE125, a 2014 model, and I think it's kind of a unique bike. I don't want to tell you guys too much about it because I want to make an in-depth video of it, but I'll start it up and show you guys how it sounds, and yeah, show you how it looks as well. After the rebuild, it idles a lot better now. At one point it used to just cut out when I left it on idle. Even in neutral, it just cut out, like it didn't have spark or something. But now she's fine. I'll give a few revs. I have always been a fan of these smaller, or ever since I got this bike I've been a fan of these smaller two-strokes, these 125s, because they are easy to throw around corners and have fun on. They don't have too much power, because this farm has a lot of twists and turns, like for example in front, and on the bigger bikes you can't rev out the engine as much and enjoy the bike, I feel. But this is a very unique bike to me and special bike. Let's go on and I'll show you the next spot. On this side of the farm, it's a lot more up and down. Still struggling to jump and stand as well. So this is the final place that I'll show you guys in this video, and it's basically a lookout on the entire farm. Let's just get a bit higher here. You can see the farm and the places around the farm. There are other places that I also would like to show, but there isn't time in this video. I think I will in a future video go further up into the mountains and show you guys those places, and there is an enduro spot and a few hill climbs and interesting routes that you can take. Here are some roll clips of me hooning around on the 125 and riding how it's supposed to be.